Today we discuss about the interior of Earth. On the basis of seismic waves, the Earth interior are divided into three different zones or three different layers. First one, the crust, second one, mantle, and third one, core. Now the depth of the crust is about 40 kilometers and mantle 40 kilometers to 2900 kilometers and the core 6371 kilometers from the sun. The average depth of the crust is about 40 kilometers, but the earth's surface is uneven. That's why there we found many hilly areas and ocean also. In hilly areas or continental areas, the depth of the crust is about 70 kilometers and oceanic crust 5 to 10 kilometers. The earth crust is divided into two types: the continental crust, that is also made from granite. It also called shale because it consists silica and aluminum, and its density 2.2 gram per cubic centimeter. The second part is oceanic crust. It made from basalt rock and it is heavier than the shale, and its density 2.9 gram per cubic centimeter. It also called shima because its main component are silica and magnesium. The continental crust and the oceanic crust separated by a discontinuity, which is called Conrad discontinuity. V. Conrad first discovered this continuity in 1920. The other important discontinuity lying between the crust and the mantle, which is also called Moho discontinuity or Mohorovičić discontinuity. Now we discuss about the mantle. Its extent between 40 km to 2900 km. So actual depth 2860 km. It's also divided into two parts: upper mantle and the lower mantle. Upper mantle is also called Kroveshima because its main component chromium, ferrous, silica and magnesium, and lower mantle is also called Nifeshima because its main component nickel, ferrous, silica and magnesium. Mantle temperature is about 2000 to 3000 degree centigrade, and its density is about 3.4 to 5.6 gram per cubic centimeter. The upper part of the mantle look like a plastic and it is semi-liquid. That's why the crust floated on it. This is also called asthenosphere. Here, all the seismic waves get slowed down due to its semi-liquidity. That's why it is also called low velocity zone. There is another discontinuity situated between the upper mantle and lower mantle, that is also called 660 Kimi discontinuity. There is another discontinuity situated between the mantle and the core at the depth of 2900 km. This is also called Gutenberg discontinuity. This discovered by Oldham Gutenberg in 1912. Now we discuss about the core. Its main component nickel and ferrous. That's why it is called Nife. The core's temperature is about 6000 degrees centigrade. it also the temperature of outer surface of the sun. The density of the core is about 9.1 to 13.1 gram per cubic centimeter, and it is the heavier part of the earth interior. Core also divided into two parts, the outer core and the inner core. The outer core extended from 2900 km to 5146 km, and the inner core 5146 to 6371 km. The outer core are in liquid form. That's why the ash wave uh, cannot go through it and create shadow zone, and the inner core are in solid form, and it is responsible for the earth magnetic field creation. Lyman discontinuity situated between the outer core and inner core.